Hey there! Today I'm going to show you how to save time when it comes to posting on social media so you can get back to doing what you love most, which hopefully is something creative. Do you ever feel like you're spending way too much time on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, etc., instead of actually doing the thing that you love? Does that clock feel like it's just never stopping and it just doesn't give you any time to do art or anything creative? Not only am I going to share my favorite social media manager, but I'm also going to show you some tips and tricks that I use to stay on task. Here are a few of my favorite time-saving tips for creative businesses, as well as some ways that I use Brandcil. But first, let me tell you what Brandcil is. Brandcil is an all-in-one social media management platform that helps you schedule posts across multiple platforms effortlessly. That means no more cut and paste chaos, no more re-downloading the same video 5 times. Right now, Brandcil connects to Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn, YouTube, and TikTok, and they're adding even more integrations soon. For me, another feature I love is that it also analyzes your performance with in-depth reports. Keeps me in the loop with what's working and what's not. Number 1, batch your content. I pick a day each week to film most of my short content videos and then another day to edit. This can look something like photos or carousels for posts, videos, and reels, YouTube shorts, and TikTok. I upload and schedule them in Brandcil's content calendar so I always have something going out even when I'm deep in a new project. 2. Use a visual calendar. Aside from using Brandcil's calendar to upload all of my social media goodies, I also love to use a good old-fashioned calendar. I use a dry erase version I can change each week. It keeps both my social and work items where I can see them at a quick glance, making sure I have all my ducks in a row. And speaking of calendars, number 3, set a routine you can stick to. I like to set specific days to complete different tasks and establish good habits with less chance of distraction. To keep me on track of this, I use a free app called Notion. I can not only organize all my business ideas, but also a great way for planning the week as far as what topics to cover in each social platform. I can also set up areas to jot down new ideas, concepts, and inspiration in one place, which I can access on my laptop, phone, and iPad. Number 4, post videos and carousels in just one place. I absolutely love showing off my art process in reels and carousels. Brandcil lets me schedule those too. Not just single images, but videos as well, so my feed stays dynamic and engaging. And number 5, and probably the most hardest thing you'll have to do, is avoid the social media vortex. In the morning, I set alarms on my phone and watch for social media check-ins as I browse, like, comment, find new customers to target, as well as inspirations and trends. I try to keep it at 45 minutes each morning, then it's back to work. Social media shouldn't take over your studio time. With the right tools and some boundaries, you too can get back to your studio time. If you want to try Brandcil for yourself, check out the link in the description box. And if you have your own time-saving tips, I'd love to hear about them in the comments. I challenge you to not be a slave to social media platforms. Use these time-saving tips and applications to free your time and be the creative you want to be with less stress and more joy. Until next time, happy creating, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like content like this and are enjoying my new channel. Your support helps me reach people like you to enjoy my content.